Otis torture.
Just an Otis.
You were the passengers in a most uncommon
Hold on tight to that now.
about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Stars in here.
I may not film just because.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the
I
door.
really don't feel safe. Is that okay?
Now look for that
That
hidden
door is
Mickey.
opening once again. This time,
This is the 5th dimension room. Somewhere there is a hidden Mickey. Anybody can find it? Is it in there?
you are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension.
You nervous?
Beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination. In the Tower of
I
Terror.
can see the shaft. Cool. We don't know what we're gonna do. It could drop, it could rise up, it could. Should go longer. Yeah,
That was laughing. You hear me laughing?
I did.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook.
Oh yeah.
The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make
That's
sure
a
you know
huge
it's
elevator
a
door.
vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
I